I'm Sean Nachersky, owner of Sean's Cleaning Service. We've been serving South Jersey and the surrounding area for over 20 years. When I meet a prospective client, I'm always asked, what makes your company different from other cleaning companies? The level of care that we bring to your facility, that's what makes us different. Bringing a high level of quality to each client through our fantastic employees and our training program. After our employees receive initial training, they receive continuing education regarding cleaning products, proper techniques, and proper procedures. As members of the International Supply Sanitation Association, we attend annual seminars to further our knowledge in our industry, as well as keep us up to date with the latest equipment and industry news. Sean's Cleaning Service thoroughly screens employees to ensure the highest level of service to all of our clients. All of our employees undergo background checks to ensure they possess the highest caliber of character. At Sean's, we build relationships with our clients through consistent and friendly service. We provide services for all types of facilities, from small offices to large facilities, such as Amazon and Mercedes-Benz. Our services include general office cleaning, stripping and waxing of floors, carpet and upholstery cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, power washing, window cleaning, and water restoration. For 20 years, Sean's Cleaning Service, leaving your facility flawless. Call me at 609-706-5274 or visit my website at seanscleaning.com.